Hi everyone, I'm Chesta. I'm currently working as software engineer at Microsoft. Prior to joining Microsoft, I have worked at Adobe as product intern for 6 months. We are helping final year students by taking their mock interviews. So today we have Ishan with us. He has recently cracked an off-campus opportunity at Google for the role of application engineer intern. Today, we'll be discussing with him about his experience and journey. So, hi Ishan, how are you?
I'm good. And what about you?
I am good too. So, maybe we can start with your introduction, Ishan.
Yeah. So myself, Shan Sharma. I am currently a pre-final year student pursuing bachelor's in information technology from IIT Lucknow. I have recently got an offer of summer internship from Google as an application engineer intern. I am a five-star on CodeChef and expert on Codeforces. And also, I have represented my college in the ACM ICPC Regionals 2020. So that was a little introduction about me.
Thanks, Ishan. Your achievements are really impressive. So, now we would like to know about how did you started your coding journey and in which year of college you started and how you approached that.
So my coding journey started in the first year itself. So I used to do HackerEarth a lot. I used to practice it daily, um, and I also started to give contest. So and after the contest, I used to upsolve the questions. So I gradually keep improving and improving. And on the topics which I was weak, I used to tag that topic, and do the problem separately. So also, then after the Hacker Earth, I moved to CodeChef and Codeforces so that I can practice harder questions there. And after that, I also joined the competitive programming wing of my college. So that was about my college and my coding life.
Thanks for that, Ishan. So now maybe we can move on. How you begin your search for the off-campus opportunities and what are the resources you used to follow to keep yourself updated about the off-campus openings?
ऑफ कैंपस का मैंने अगस्त में स्टार्ट किया था अप्लाई करना. सो मैं लिंक्डइन मेजरली दो ओपनिंग्स लिंक्डइन से सर्च करता था मैं. बाकी कंपनीज के कैरियर पेज पे और बाकी कुछ ग्रुप्स हैं उन पे ओपनिंग्स आती रहती हैं. सो आई यूज्ड टू गेट देम फ्रॉम देयर आल्सो.
Okay.
दैट वाज.
So how you applied to Google via the career portal or through a referral or by contacting
आई
a
अप्लाइड
recruiter?
डायरेक्टली.
Yeah.
या आई अप्लाइड डायरेक्टली ऑन द कैरियर पोर्टल
Okay. So you applied directly on the career portal. When did you apply it?
इन द मंथ ऑफ सितंबर.
Okay. So then when did you hear back from the recruiter?
In the mid of October.
Okay, so within a month you got the response.
Yeah.
Then after that, did they take any written assessment or some phone screen rounds?
No, there was no written assessment of coding now. They were just two interview. The first one was DSE based, and the other one was system design based.
Okay, so they had two interviews. So you got the reply from them in October, and then after how many days your first interview was scheduled?
After they contacted me, the first interview was scheduled around 10 days later.
Okay, so during that 10 days, how you used to prepare, like revising everything, and how you used to do that?
डीएसए का तो इतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं था क्योंकि डीएसए तो काफी टाइम से किया था. बाकी वही जो इंटरव्यू में बेसिक नॉर्मली क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं, ज्यादा ट्रेडिशनल क्वेश्चंस हैं, उनकी प्रैक्टिस करता था मैं लीड कोड और जीएफजी से.
Okay, let's move to your first round interview experience. So, what were the type of questions asked? What was the complexity? Maybe you can tell a bit about that.
Yeah, the questions were DSE based. They were more inclined towards the real life. The complexity I must say that was medium level. So the first question was easy. So I did that in 10 to 15 minutes. And the second question took more time. It took me around 25 to 30 minutes to do that. That was a tricky one.
So you implemented both the problems completely.
Yeah, yeah, Yeah. I implemented both the questions in the 45 minutes time.
Yeah, that's great. So after how many days you got the response that you have successfully cleared the interview?
It was around 3 to 4 days later. I got the call for the second interview.
Okay, so then they scheduled your next interview after how much time?
It was 1 to 2 days later. So I got the time of 1 to 2 days to prepare for the system design. That was a new
Okay.
subject for me. So I have to prepare in those 1 to 2 days only.
So yeah, you're still in third year, so system design. So how you prepared for the system design?
सो उसका आइडिया नहीं था इतना, तो मैंने डायरेक्टली एचआर से पूछा था. सो उन्होंने कुछ लिंक्स प्रोवाइड करी थी मुझको, यूट्यूब लिंक्स, जहाँ से उनको मैंने रेफर किया था. बाकी मेरे पे कुछ नोट्स थे सिस्टम डिजाइन के, उनको मैंने गो थ्रू किया था.
Okay, so what channels you followed for learning about system design?
मेजरली मैंने सौम्यजीत भट्टाचार्य के चैनल से पढ़ा था, और
Okay.
कुछ वीडियोस मैंने गौरव सेन से भी देखी थी, गौरव सेन के चैनल से.
Okay, so how your system design interview went?
So there was only one question asked in that.
Mm-hmm.
The system design interview was basically to test my OOPS concept. So the interviewer gave me a basic outline, what I have to frame, what I have to design. So first of all, मैंने बेसिक आउटलाइन का कोड मैंने लिखा था, केवल नॉर्मली कुछ क्लासेस ही लिखी थी, और बाकी फिर इंटरव्यूअर ने मुझसे कुछ एज केसेस डिस्कस करे थे कि इन केसेस में आप इसको कैसे हैंडल करोगे, इन एज केसेस को. सो मैंने उनको फिर बताया था कि ये एज केसेस इस तरह से हैंडल करे जाएंगे.
Uh, okay, so you don't have to code entirely in a system design interview. You can just code the basic features and.
या बेसिक आउटलाइन ओनली.
Okay, got it. Thanks, Ishan. So, what suggestions would you like to give to your juniors who are still in first and second year?
जूनियर्स को तो इतना ही कि अभी तो फिलहाल अपने 1 to 2 years में मेजरली कोडिंग पे फोकस करें. बाकी एक बार अपना बेसिक, एक बार अपनी डीएससी वगैरह स्ट्रांग हो जाए, फिर थोड़ा प्रोजेक्ट वगैरह, थोड़ी डेवलपमेंट वगैरह पे फोकस कर सकते हैं. लेकिन मेन चीज कोडिंग ही है, विच रिक्वायर्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम टू इम्प्रूव एंड टू एक्सेल इन दैट. सो उससे अपना ध्यान ना हटाएं, उसको साइड बाय साइड चलने दें. अगर आप डेवलपमेंट भी कर रहे हो तो ऐसा ना हो कि कोडिंग छोड़ दें, कोडिंग को साइड बाय साइड चलनी चाहिए.
Okay. Thanks, Ishan. Thanks a lot for taking out time and having this discussion with us today. And all the best for your internship.
Yeah, thanks.